Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Now we will be starting lesson number 5, page 46, dividing by a one-digit number. This is new syllabus primary mathematics, Oxford, and second edition, grade 4. We'll be learning here how to do dividing by one-digit number. First question is 176 divided by 8. So we'll start dividing. We need to do like this: 1, 7, 6, sleeping line, standing line, then sleeping line. Okay, divided by 8. Very first thing is, remember one thing: put a gap between the numbers so that it will be easy to understand the question and to solve the question. Okay, so we'll be starting. When we start, we see this is one number. Here this is one number 1. This is smaller than this 8. We can join two numbers. When we join two numbers in the start of the question, no problem, no issues, we can join. So it becomes 17. Okay. Now we need to go for the table of 8. When we are dividing, we need to use the table of 8. Okay. We need to go for the table of 8 wherein we should be reaching up to 17 or below 17, but not more than 17. Okay, like see, 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24. So 24 means we are exceeding 17, so we cannot exceed. Okay, so we cannot use this. Then 8 twos are 16. Yes, 16 is lower than 17. I told you that we need to follow the table of 8. So we need to see the result. When we have more than 17, we don't want to go for this one. Okay, we cannot go for this one. This one 24 is greater than 17. Okay, then 8 twos are 16. 16 is less than 17. Okay, so yes, we can go. So 8 twos are, okay, 8 twos are, this 2 will be placing here. 8 twos are 16. After that we subtract, minus, put a sleeping line here. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0, put a cross, 0. Okay, now this 1 is less than 8. We cannot divide this one by 8. We have the choice or permission to get one number from up down. 6 will come here. It becomes 16. Then this 16 will again go for the table of 8. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So we get the result same, 16. 8 twos are 16. Minus, this is 0, 0. Now 22 is our answer. Remember few things. Number 1, there should be a gap between the numbers. Number 2, there should be a symmetry. Symmetry means number should be coming under number. See this 6 like this, 7 6 1 1 like this. This, even if you start from the top, this 2 1 1 coming in a one column, this also coming in the same column, this same column. Okay, so by this way it will be easier to get the correct answer. The last thing is, here we have 0, so remainder is 0, so our answer is 22. So when we divide 176 by 8, we get the result 22. Okay, so this was how to divide by a one digit number. We will be doing some more examples so that it should be easier for you to do. We'll be going for page number 48. Here we have 3096. 3096. I am placing gap in the numbers. Divide by 3. Okay, let's start. First thing is that we need to go for the table of 3 because we are dividing with the number 3. Then we need to start from this side, not from this side. Here we have 3. We can divide 3 with 3. See, 3 ones are 3. Result is 3. So this is our answer. It will come here. 3 ones are 3. Then we subtract minus 3 minus 3 is 0. Gone. Now 0 will come down. Okay. We cannot divide 0 with 3. 0 is smaller than 3. Then we need to bring another number down. This 9 will also come down. So when we simultaneously together, when we bring down two numbers, then we need to put 1 0 here. Bringing one number down is okay, but at the same time bringing two numbers is not okay. We need to put 1 0 here. Okay. Now we have 0 9 means 9. Okay. 9 will be divided by 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Again subtract, becomes 0. Now we will put down, bring down 6. 6 will be divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Here we put 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Okay. So here we have remainder 0. Our answer is 1032. So when we divide 3096 by 3, we get the answer 1032. Again, if you see, I have placed a space between the numbers. Okay. Another thing is, there is a symmetry. Numbers are coming under the number. See, 1 3 3 0 0 0 like this. This 3 9 9 9 9 9 0. This is in a symmetrical way. In one column, 2, then here see 2, this is again symmetrical. Okay, so these are important things to follow. Now we move ahead. We need to do some more examples so that we can bring more clarity to you. Page number 49, 3 5 7 8 3 5 7 8 divided by 6. Now see, this is one number, this is one number, this is smaller than this, we cannot divide. So in the beginning we can join two numbers, no issues. It becomes 35. So we will be using the table of 6. 6 6 are 36. It is more than 35. So we cannot use 6 6 are 36 because we need to be either an equal level or less than this. So we will be saying 6 5s are 30. Subtract 5 minus 0 is 5. 3 minus 3 is 0. Put cross. Now 5 is less than 6. We cannot divide. Bring 7 down. 57. Now go for the table of 6. 6 6 are 36. 6 7s are 42. 6 8s are 48. 6 9s are 54. 6 10s are 60. 60 will exceed. 6 10s are 60 exceeds. 6 9s are 54. So we will be placing 9 here. 6 9s are 54. Again subtract. 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 5 is 0. Bring 8 here. 38 divided by 6. 38 divided by 6. 6 6 are 36. Minus 8 minus 6 is 2. 3 minus 3 is 0. 2 cannot be divided by 6. So 2 is the remainder. 2 is the remainder. Okay. 2 is remainder. We put R here. Okay. So this one is the quotient. The answer is called quotient. 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 Okay. This is the answer 596. And we have R as remainder. So we can say that when we divide 3 5 7 8 by 6, we get the answer 596 with remainder R 2. Remainder is 2. So we can write it like this way. Okay. So this was all about this question. Again see, I am telling you again and again, there is a gap between the numbers. There is a gap. Okay. So that you should not be confused. Okay. Another thing is that number is coming down the number like this, straight. Okay. This should be your presentation. This should be your method of doing the questions related to division. Okay, so it will be easier for you to understand the question and to solve and to get the correct answer. Now we move to page 50. 4361 divided by 7. 4, this is one number, this is one number, but 4 is smaller than this, we cannot divide. Then join to the numbers, it becomes 43. 43 divided by 7, we need to use the table of 7. 7 6 are 42. If we go for 7 7s are 49, it will exceed from 43, so we cannot go. 3 minus 2 is 1, 4 minus 4 is 0. This 1 is smaller than this, we cannot divide. Bring 6 down, 16. 16 divided by 7. 7 2s are 14. Minus 6 minus 4 is 2. This is gone. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 is smaller than 7. Bring 1 here. 7 3s are 21. 0. No remainder. So our answer is, we can say that 4 3 6 1. When divided by 7, we get the answer result 6 2 3. Okay. So this was on page number 50. Again, we have placed space gaps in the numbers and there is a symmetry. Numbers are coming under the numbers. Okay. So this is how to solve for question related to the division. Now move ahead. If we see questions on page number 51, question number 4, this is related to the division. You can do this by yourself. We will be doing one for you. 4530, last part, divided by 3. 4 is greater than 3, we can divide. This is one number, this is one number. 3 ones are 3, minus 4 minus 3 is 1. This is smaller than this, we cannot divide. Bring 5 here. 15 divided by 3, it becomes 3 5s are 15. Minus 5 minus 5 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Bring 3 down. Okay. 3 1s are 3, 0. Bring down 0. 3 zeros are 0. No remainder. So we can say that 4530 divided by 3, we get the result 1510. There is no remainder. Okay. So this was all about this lesson. On page number 52, you have several questions. Okay. These are same that we have done, similar questions. You can do it yourself. These are for practice purpose. The more you practice, the easier it becomes for you and with the better results. Lesson number 6. These are word problems. Now I will be doing lesson number 6, word problems. So we'll also change it here. Word problems. So number 1 is, Mrs. Tan sold 6 identical dresses and 5 identical skirts. She collected 1109 from the sales. She sold each dress for 129. How much did she sell skirt for? So the thing is that total money from the sale of dresses and skirts is how much? 1109. She got $1109. Okay. Now she collected 1109 from the sales. Okay. She sold each dress for $129. Okay. The dress, how many dresses? Dresses sold were 6. Okay. And each dress is $129. Okay. So price of one dress is how much? $129. So total price of dresses is how much? 129 into 6. When we multiply, this becomes 774. So $774, they come from the dresses. Okay. Now they say that she sold 5 skirts. So skirts sold how much? 5. Okay. How much did she sell each skirt for? Okay. So now we can see that what is the price of skirts? price of 5 skirts. See, this is amount collected from the sale of dresses and sale of 5 skirts. Okay, so we can say if we subtract 1109 minus 774, this total minus the amount of dresses, so remaining will be the price of 5 skirts. Okay, so $335, it is the price of 5 skirts. If we want to know the price of one skirt, so this 335 we will divide it by 5. This is the price of skirts. There are 5 skirts, so divide it by 5. So what to do? 335 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30. 3 minus 0 is 3. This is 0. This is 5. 5 sevens are 35. So 67. So $67 is the price of one skirt, and this was our question. Okay, again I'll repeat. The total money collected from the sale of 6 dresses and 5 skirts was 1109. Dresses were 6. One dress for $129. Multiply these two, we get $774 for the dresses. So from this amount, we just subtracted the amount of price of dresses, we get the price of skirts. These are 5 skirts. Divide this with 5, so you get $67 for one dress. Okay. So this was all about the question number 1 on page number 53 and 54.